In a quiet room, lit only by the soft glow of a computer screen, a solitary narrator embarks on an exploration that could very well be the tipping point between myth and machine. The narrator reflects on the idea that our dreams, those fleeting cinematic sequences that play out behind closed eyes, might hold secrets to the deepest layers of our identity. In this modern age, where artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic dream, the narrator explains how the latest innovations in AI promise to unlock and decode the enigmatic language of our subconscious mind, with a blend of curiosity, humor, and a touch of irreverence. The journey begins with a simple yet profound proposal. What if your wildest dreams, even the ones that evaporate like wisps of fog upon waking, were not random neurological misfires, but rather profound messages from within? The narrator muses that these elusive episodes, sometimes absurd, sometimes intense, and often borderline ridiculous, could actually be the brain's cryptic way of communicating with us. Imagine a scenario where an advanced AI becomes a modern-day Rosetta Stone for dreams, deciphering symbols and metaphors that have left even the most seasoned psychoanalysts scratching their heads. This idea, though it might seem ripped from the pages of a science fiction novel, is swiftly emerging as a tangible possibility in our very real technological landscape. The narrative weaves through the history of dream interpretation as it paints a vibrant picture of humanity's eternal fascination with sleep's secret theater. Long before computers and algorithms, ancient civilizations sought meaning in dreams, believing them to be messages from the gods, omens, or even doorways to alternate realities. The narrator draws a parallel between these early interpretations and the work of modern-day analysts who use neuroscience and psychology to understand the bizarre images our minds conjure as we rest. There is a humorous twist in noting that while our ancestors looked to the stars for cosmic guidance, today's scientists and developers are navigating neural pathways with nothing more than lines of code and a generous dash of optimism. As the narrative unfolds, the focus shifts to the heart of the matter: AI's potential to revolutionize dream interpretation. Technology, the narrator explains, is advancing so rapidly that it now stands ready to decode the cryptic language of dreams. Picture an intelligent system that sifts through the scattered fragments of your sleep, piecing together a coherent story that might illuminate undiscovered truths about your personality, desires, and fears. The narrator points out that just as we once marveled at early computers that filled entire rooms with blinking lights, we now face devices smart enough to analyze the inky depths of our imaginations. There is a playful irony in imagining an AI sitting at the intersection of logic and fantasy, attempting to map out the terrain of dreams, the same way it maps data in search engines. The narrative artfully interlaces technical clarity with a touch of levity. The narrator describes the process in a way that is accessible yet detailed, without descending into the labyrinthine jargon of computer science. Instead of focusing on binary code or neural network architecture, the explanation uses everyday analogies. The mind is a bustling city at night, with dreams representing the neon signs and shadowy alleyways hinting at hidden meanings. In this city, the AI is an ingenious urban planner, striving to decipher every fluttering billboard and obscure corner sign that might explain the city's vibrancy and chaos. This vivid metaphor not only demystifies the technology, but also makes the possibility of dream analysis feel less like a scene out of a dystopian film, and more like a quirky, enlightening journey into one's inner world. The narrative takes a thoughtful turn by reflecting on the personal implications of such advances. The narrator muses about the ways in which our dreams, often taken as whimsical, unimportant fragments of our subconscious, could become revered texts offering insights into our innermost thoughts. The idea is as audacious as it is profound. By using AI to interpret dreams, we might finally understand the hidden narratives that shape our decisions, our relationships, and ultimately our lives. Far from reducing these vivid experiences to mere data points, the narrator suggests that this technology might help bridge the chasm between art and science, the conscious and the unconscious, by allowing us to see the beauty in the chaotic mosaic of our thoughts. There is an amusing acknowledgement from the narrator that the process may not be all smooth sailing. After all, our dreams are as unpredictable as a mischievous squirrel in a high-speed chase through an urban park. The narrator humorously compares the AI's task to that of an overly enthusiastic detective trying to solve a case where the evidence consists solely of bizarre images and half-remembered sensations. Yet, amid the unpredictability, there is genuine excitement about the potential to uncover long-forgotten passions, hidden anxieties, and unspoken truths. This blend of humor and honest curiosity invites the listener to both laugh at the absurdity of some dreams and marvel at the possibility of their deeper significance. As the narrative meanders through concepts both ancient and avant-garde, the narrator steps back to consider the broader cultural significance. In societies worldwide, dreams have long held a mystique, oscillating between the boundaries of superstition and modern psychology. The narrator offers a wry observation. While some might dismiss dreams as the brain's random nocturnal graffiti, there is an enduring curiosity about what these ephemeral stories might reveal about our waking lives. By harnessing AI, this age-old quest for self-understanding takes on a new dimension, one where the seemingly chaotic interplay of thoughts and emotions is organized into a coherent, interpretable structure. The narrator's words resonate with the promise of a future where technology and the human spirit are not adversaries, but partners in the eternal quest for meaning. The narrative shifts to a thoughtful reflection on the philosophical implications of allowing machines into the intimate realm of our dreams. There is an undeniable irony in the idea that an artificial intelligence could one day pry into the most personal corners of our internal lives. Yet this might be precisely the breakthrough that empowers us to understand ourselves more completely. The narrator contemplates whether the AI will view our dreams with the detachment of a scientist or the sensitivity of an old friend. The humorous undertone remains, as the narrator imagines the AI as a quirky therapist, perhaps even offering advice on everything from unresolved childhood issues to the puzzling symbolism of a dancing banana. The playful tone underscores a serious point. Technology, when wielded with care and insight, holds the potential to illuminate the recesses of the human condition in ways we have not yet imagined. In weaving together these philosophical and technical strands, the narrator paints a picture of a future where the boundaries between human intuition and machine logic blur into a unified tapestry of understanding. The subconscious mind, long shrouded in mystery, might soon reveal its secrets through the lens of artificial intelligence. This convergence of technology and the human psyche is portrayed not as a cold clinical process, but as an intimate dialogue between our innermost selves and the digital realm. The narrator emphasizes that this is not about replacing the art of human introspection with cold algorithms, but about enriching our understanding with tools that help us parse our dreams' symbolic language. The delicate balance between scientific inquiry and poetic interpretation is maintained throughout the narrative, ensuring that listeners are both informed and entertained. Drawing the narrative to a reflective close, the narrator revisits the original question that sparked this intellectual journey. What if our dreams truly held the key to understanding ourselves on a deeper level? By examining dreams through the innovative lens of AI, a new frontier in human self-discovery might emerge. The narrator reflects on the inherent beauty and mystery of our nighttime visions, suggesting that even the most bizarre or humorous dream might contain clues about our hopes, fears, and hidden desires. With a gentle, teasing tone, the narrator reminds us that while our dreams might occasionally resemble chaotic flights of fancy, featuring everything from talking animals to inexplicable interdimensional escapades, they are, in essence, reflections of our inner worlds that merit both scientific scrutiny and heartfelt appreciation. The narrative concludes with a vision of tomorrow, a time when the union of AI and dream interpretation might empower us to delve deeper into the labyrinth of our minds. The narrator's parting thoughts are imbued with both wonder and amusement, capturing the delicate interplay between technological progress and the timeless mysteries of human nature. In this future, the act of sleep is no longer merely a period of rest, but a transformative experience where the lines between reality and imagination converge, offering us a window into the profound enigma of our own existence. The narrator's tone remains earnest yet playful, inviting listeners to embrace the quirks and wonders of their dreams and to view them as integral parts of the self. A mosaic of moments waiting to be deciphered with both scientific tools and a curious, open heart. Thus, as the screen fades to the soft glow of the digital age, the narrative offers a final, whimsical reminder. Our dreams, as fleeting and fantastical as they may be, are not to be dismissed as mere nighttime nonsense. Instead, they are vibrant tapestries woven from the threads of our experiences, our emotions, and our innermost thoughts. In a world that is rapidly advancing toward ever greater technological feats, there lies a beautiful irony in contemplating that the bridge between the cold rationality of artificial intelligence and the warm, unpredictable chaos of the human mind may ultimately lead us to a deeper understanding of who we are. With a mix of satire, insight, and sincere wonder, the narrator leaves behind a call to embrace the mystery of our dreams. A call that is at once a celebration of human creativity and a testament to the boundless potential that lies at the intersection of art and science. In this unfolding saga of technology and introspection, the notion emerges that dreams are not the trivial hallucinations of a sleeping brain, but rather the dormant scriptures of the soul, waiting to be interpreted with both clinical precision and imaginative flair. The narrator's journey through this new frontier is a testament to the evolving landscape of knowledge, a landscape where artificial intelligence and human consciousness dance to a subtle rhythm that is as enigmatic as it is compelling. And so, under the gentle hum of advanced processors and the starlit canopy of our collective subconscious, the adventure into decoding dreams with AI continues, a voyage marked by humor, heart, and the ceaseless quest to know ourselves just a little bit better.